Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install WordPress 5.7 on Windows 10 and also going to talk about what are the new changes or improvements in WordPress 5.7. So here is the release post by WordPress by Matt, the creator of WordPress, and then there are a few changes. So it talks about there is some option that lets you change the color in your WordPress WP admin, so basically dashboard, and it's easier to use. So the editor, the Gutenberg editor, is going to be a little bit easier to use. And what are those changes? Font size adjustment for more places, reusable blocks. Okay, drag and drop. So you can see here is a quick video of 15 seconds and this tells you what exactly it's like. So this is how you can use now your blocks, and I'll quickly go ahead and show you after installing. So you can do more with writing custom codes. Okay, so full length alignment, button blocks, social icons block. So that's going to be inbuilt now. Simpler default color palette. So we will have a look at the from HTTP to HTTPS in single click. And what's it about? Starting now, switching from non-secure to secure is a one-click move. WordPress will automatically update database URLs when you make the switch. No more hunting and guessing. Robots API. So they have now robots API. So new robots API. Let's include the filter directives in robots meta tag. Max image preview large. Okay. Lazy load for your iframes. Ongoing cleanup after update to jQuery 3.5.1. Little bit faster. Field guide for more. So you can read more here, and let's see. So these are some core updates. Now let's have a look at, okay, so users, REST API, security, other developer updates. Alrighty, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install it on my system and have a look at this WordPress 5.7. So I have XAMPP control panel installed. I assume that you already have something similar to XAMPP. So that means you have PHP, MySQL, and a web server like Apache or Nginx already installed and running. Okay, so let's go to Explorer. Where is it? I can go to admin directly. So this is localhost, and then I go to phpMyAdmin to create a database. So go ahead and create your database first, and in the meanwhile we also need to go ahead and download the 5.7. so I'm in the dashboard here. Now you can see in the meanwhile some errors. Ignore all. What happened here? Everything is alright. So now we need to go ahead and download the WordPress. You can go to wordpress.org, very simple, like this. Okay, and then click on get WordPress, download and install. Now so this is something new they offer you through the hosting provider. So now WordPress is going to host your site, DreamHost, or you can download it from here. So click this download and install themselves. Then this is zip folder. Go ahead and click on it, and here the download starts. These are requirements. So PHP, MySQL, or MariaDB, web server, Nginx, or Apache. Alrighty, so Okay, so let's go ahead and create a database. So in order to install WordPress locally on the system, you need to have MariaDB or MySQL, and then obviously a new database. Go ahead and click this new, type in the database. I'm going to say WP57. And then hit create. Database created, you can see. And this download is a bit slower. So we will require this database name, this local host, wherever your MySQL is. So obviously it's localhost, and then the username, and then the password. So I already have username. I'm going to use the default username for my MySQL database, which is going to be root. So I'm going to close it. And I will wait for this download to complete, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so thank you for your patience, folks. Now you can see WordPress 5.7 is downloaded. I'll go ahead and click this down arrow and then click the show in the folder. So I'm using this Google Chrome. This is unconfirmed download. These are garbage for you, so I'm just going to close them, and then simply go ahead and locate your download, right click on it, and then simply say extract all. If you're using 7-zip like me, go ahead and click on extract to this folder, and this will extract immediately in a folder with same name. And then what we need to do, we need to simply double click to open it again, put it aside, and then open your Windows Explorer again. So I'm going to right click, and File Explorer is up here. Go to this PC, so wherever your XMPP is installed, mine is here in the C drive, XMPP, and then you look for htdocs in most of cases. And now what we need to do, we need to simply take this WordPress folder and put it here in the htdocs, okay, and then you can rename it. Okay, so I just press F2 to rename it. I'm going to say WP57. You are done. Now I can go ahead and close everything. I would rather clean everything up here, so I don't need this one. Closed. Now we need to go ahead and pull this folder in the browser. So to do so, you simply go to localhost / and then the folder name. So it could be anything, okay? In my case, it's WP57. And this will pull up the installation script, and then we will enter the password, database username, password, and database name. So in a sec, we will be there. So one thing is that I will talk about this one thing later on. So select your language, click continue. You can select so many languages from. I've already selected English. So database name, username, database password, database host, which is localhost, table prefix. So here we go. So database name is WP57. Username, in my case it's root. I don't have any password. Localhost. If you're going to production, if you're installing it on a production server, you should change this prefix with, after your prefix table prefix, put underscore, and then hit submit. Run the installation, and you are done. So WordP WP57. I'm going to keep as it is. I'm going to give a fake. Okay, and now go ahead and hit install WordPress. So if you're going to install WordPress on your server, production server, you are advised to use a very unique username. You should never go with this admin, and a very strong password, and obviously your email address. And we are back in the admin area in just few seconds. You can see, so go ahead and click log in, type in your username and password like that. Remember if you wish to. And we are back in WordPress. So let's see what we have here. There's no kind of big change, so I don't see anything here. Disable the visual editor when writing. I don't see anything big here. Go to dashboard. And let's click on this posts thing and go to a new post. In the meanwhile, to visit the website, you simply click on. Okay, so this is the color change they are talking about. Okay, so you have this 2021 theme, and okay, so one thing I need to make sure that my URL is perfect. So go to permalinks, and the post name is okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this testing WP 5.7, not 8 yet. G Gutenberg editor. And now let's see. So you can go ahead and drag it off here like that, which is already here. Let's take this one. So earlier we had this slash and then take whatever you want. And okay, this is working now. So in the previous release this was not working perfectly. I think it was 5.6, yes. So you can do drag and drop, and then you have, let's say, social icons. Yeah, so we have social icon as a kind of okay, so you got social icon, share button, pill shape, default, dark mode. You can customize the links, link settings. Okay, open. So that's only the link setting you have. Then obviously you can change the color icon, background color. So this is awesome, and this will speed up. You don't need any other plugin, at least. The only thing, if it can be automated by default, like set default. Where is this social icon? I don't see it. I don't know. So maybe I will need to do some changes. I'm not sure. So go to settings. I don't have it. Go to menus. And let's see if you have option 2. So create a menu first. Create menu. So main menu, and this is going to be a primary menu. Hit create, and let's put this sample. Okay, this one. let's also put the category, so everything is pages, everything. And still don't see the option to manage the links. Secondary menu, do I have anything? No, yet, not yet, not yet. So that's the big problem, I guess. The social icon isn't working. Let's put it on the, oh, I need to put it manually. You look at that. So browse all. Amazon. Bandcamp, Etsy. Okay, browse all. So this is kind of control over what exactly you want to have on each post, and that makes sense. Yelp. Alright, so this is how it needs to be updated. So you can see here, obviously when you press on it, you'll have to enter the address. So it's going to be painful like every time. Oops. Let's see what happened. That's not the right page, I guess. So what the hell going on here? You can see now. Okay, now, so that's the perfect way to do it. So basically you will have to select each social media and links that you want to add to each post. So this can be added anywhere you want, right? This could be a button, and then you can redirect your users to your stores, pages, and blog posts, and channels and social media platforms, which is good. So this is not in this sense as I have been thinking so far. So this is going to be kind of a link creator stuff for your affiliate programs or your own stores, which is great and can be added anywhere on the pages and social posts. So let's go ahead and edit this one. So they should not have called it social. I don't think social icon is the right term to define it, because that already has a definition altogether and in different context. So let's say I want to use this Amazon thing here. Go to Amazon. I'm assuming that you are already an affiliate, and let's say you have to select. You will get the link here. It's loading. Why is it slow? I just copied it. You can enter your link here and you are good to go. Now people can click this and follow your affiliate link, which is awesome. And You can add your any custom link here. So basically it could be any affiliate product from ClickBank or whatever. So set into WordPress 5.7, you can do more without writing custom codes. Okay, so this is something new. Full length alignment button. Let's have a look at this one. Default colors. Oh yeah, these are new things. Above dashboard before you. I don't see that. So go to settings. Let's see what we have here. Anyone can register. Let's see, media. Permalinks, no change. Media, discussion. Yes, mystery person. Okay, so if I go to posts, what options I have? Compact, and this is going to be extended view. Oh, I see. But you should have given some button to edit this, I guess, if that's the excerpt. Quick edit. So let's see what we have in quick edit. No, we don't have something like that. What I was expecting. So, oh, okay, let's have a look at the categories. No. Pages. So privacy page, sample, expanded, extended, page attribute. So let's do okay, this is what you have. You have block manager, copy all content, preferences, reduce the interface. Okay, spotlight mode, appearance, display button label. Few buttons here. Use theme style, styles. Okay, so oh, I see. So from back to front, and this is good. Blocks, show most used blocks, and then content text cursor inside blocks. Panels, custom field, enable reload. I have the okay, I've got custom fields here. So this is awesome stuff. I guess you would be able to see your actual page in the not actually. So you may have to change your theme. Oh, you're taking me to this admin welcome page. Yeah, so that's basically the default previous theme, 2020, I guess, or 19, I don't remember. Let's have a look. So this is 2019. 2020 is here. So this is major change, I guess. Alright, so this is basically link to your money making pages, I guess, whatever you call them, or your personal pages on other social media platforms. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye for now.